Model 2019 Citroen Relay L3H2 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi Enterprise Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs Body, white, panel van mileage, 141656 MOT, the 19th of September 2024 engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUDA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Coolant is pressurizing. And there is a crunch in fourth gear does not affect the drivability condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: full service history, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £7,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on